Welcome to today's episode of Daily AI Brief, where we dive into the cutting edge technologies revolutionizing the AI landscape. From enhanced web data grounding to breakthroughs in recursive language models, we're exploring the innovations driving change. Plus, we uncover the challenges AI faces in accessing pricing data and explore coding agents and skill optimization technologies shaping the future. All that and more, coming right up. Artificial intelligence is evolving, and so is the need for real-time, accurate data. Microsoft is addressing this with WebIQ, a new feature designed to enhance AI agents by leveraging up-to-date web data. This tool minimizes AI hallucinations, improving the accuracy of AI-generated responses by grounding them in the most current web information available. With WebIQ, Microsoft aims to provide a more robust solution to the problem of AI inaccuracies that stem from outdated or irrelevant information. Built on the infrastructure supporting well-known services like Copilot and ChatGPT, WebIQ allows AI agents to utilize Bing's search index for retrieving pertinent information, not entire web pages, thus keeping processing times efficient. Technically, WebIQ uses grounding APIs within its model-agnostic platform, ensuring seamless integration across AI systems. To minimize workload, the system returns only the necessary data. This efficiency is reflected in performance metrics with a sub-165 millisecond P95 latency, reportedly providing response times 2.5 times faster than current competitors. This speed is crucial for applications requiring quick interactions, such as customer service bots or real-time data analysis. Moreover, the design emphasizes token efficiency, which respects publishers' rights and preferences by avoiding unnecessary data extraction. This balance between access to real-time data and responsible data handling fosters a more sustainable digital ecosystem. However, while WebIQ shows promising capabilities, there are several trade-offs and limitations to consider. For one, the feature is initially available only to select enterprise customers, creating uncertainty about broader accessibility. Performance claims by Microsoft have not undergone independent benchmarking, meaning real-world effectiveness still needs validation. Furthermore, reliance on Bing's index for data could mean fluctuations in relevance over time, particularly when web content rapidly changes. For developers interested in exploring WebIQ, Microsoft has a dedicated beta Microsoft/webiq.microsource OpenAI, providing more insights. Additionally, their command line announcement, commandline.microsoft.com/grounding system agentic web engineering retrieval UTM source OpenAI, offers a technical deep dive. While waiting for the full API documentation, these resources can provide initial guidance. In essence, Microsoft WebIQ represents a significant step forward in integrating real-time web data for AI agents, potentially leading to more reliable and accurate AI outputs. As the landscape of AI grows, innovations like WebIQ are critical in ensuring that AI systems remain as accurate and contextually relevant as possible, particularly in sectors where precision is paramount. Prime Intellect is pushing boundaries with the release of Prime Agent, a remarkable open-source tool that leverages recursive language models, or RLMs. This development marks a shift from conventional models, offering an innovative path for handling extensive input data without losing crucial contextual information. The core innovation here is the use of context folding, a method that enables RLMs to manage and preserve data integrity even when processing inputs up to 10 million tokens, a significant leap over traditional language model capabilities. Prime Agent operates in a persistent Python REPL environment, maximizing real-time interaction efficiencies and creating new possibilities for dynamic coding engagements. Under the hood, RLMs employ an architecture where context folding ensures that the original input remains intact, despite the capability to handle vast amounts of data. Main RLMs can control sandboxed Python REPLs while calling sub-LLMs to delegate tasks efficiently. This setup allows for direct data write-back into an answer variable, facilitating streamlined evaluations. The numbers speak for themselves. The Intellect 3 model, with 106 billion parameters, underpins this system, demonstrating superior performance across several benchmarks. Yet, there are notable uncertainties. How RLMs will perform in practical, real-world applications remains an ongoing question, as does their integration complexity with existing AI ecosystems. Developers keen on experimenting with Prime Agent should check out the Prime Intellect blog, primeintellect.ai is like blog, DAM's OpenEye for more hands-on instructions. Additionally, practical applications can be explored through /marktechpost.com 2026 through 2 Recursive Language Models, RLMs from MIT's Blueprint to Prime Intellects for Long Horizon LM Agents /UTM source OpenAI. In summary, Prime Agent opens exciting possibilities for developers, promising significant strides in managing and applying extensive data inputs. AI agents are increasingly utilized in B2B transactions, yet a major obstacle has arisen: pricing data access. A study by Sightline reveals that AI buying agents frequently encounter barriers when accessing pricing information, a development that could lead to appreciable revenue challenges for companies transitioning to digital sales. In Sightline's benchmark tests across 100 top B2B software products, a troubling 30% of AI attempts to access pricing were met with errors. Furthermore, only 65% of pricing plans were readable by AI agents, and 14% of listings redirected inquiries to sales contacts instead of providing direct price access. Such hurdles push AI agents toward relying on outdated third-party sources, diminishing sales efficiency and accuracy. The underlying problem seems to stem from client-side rendering complications, which can inhibit direct data access. Sites that use excessive JavaScript or complex client-side rendering make it difficult for AI tools to fetch important information directly from web pages. Sightline's study utilized a Claude AI agent to engage with these web pages, experiencing firsthand how these technical limitations challenge data retrieval efforts. To mitigate these issues, Sightline suggests employing server-side rendering for pricing pages. This approach ensures that pricing data is preloaded on the server before sending it to the client's browser, making it instantly accessible to AI agents without needing additional processing on the client side. Transitioning to server-side rendering, however, may require significant updates to current web infrastructures. Quantitatively, this challenge equates to a 30% error rate in AI agents' ability to access prices, evidently signaling a notable gap in market practice. While some companies have begun adapting server-side rendering to enhance information accessibility, comprehensive changes across the landscape are needed to mitigate these losses. To address this, businesses can optimize website structures for AI interaction, ensuring important details like prices are machine-readable. This can include simplifying HTML structures, ensuring meta tags are effectively used, and minimizing use of technologies that complicate data retrieval. Regularly testing AI agent interactions can further help identify and rectify issues, adapting to evolving AI technology capabilities. Ultimately, by addressing these accessibility concerns, businesses can leverage AI agents more effectively, potentially generating improved revenue outcomes in B2B environments. Companies that make these structural adjustments may not only see improved interactions with AI buyers, but also gain a competitive advantage as the digital marketplace continues to evolve. Meta AI has embarked on a significant journey with the release of Muse Code, a terminal-based coding agent leveraging the latest Muse Spark 1.2 model. This release aims to push the boundaries of software engineering by infusing AI capabilities into everyday coding and debugging tasks. Muse Code features and capabilities. Muse Code stands out with its advanced features such as multi-step reasoning, which supports complex task completion, a capability that rivals other advanced tools in the market, including OpenAI's GPT 5.6 Luna and Anthropic's Claude Haiku 4.5. At the core lies the Muse Spark 1.2 model, an upgrade from the previous version launched just a month prior on July 9, 2026. This rapid update reflects Meta's swift developmental strides in AI tool progress, showcasing their commitment to refining AI coding capabilities. Technically, Muse Spark 1.2 enhances coding efficiency through a robust architecture designed for comprehensive coding tasks. Its architecture is optimized for seamless multitasking, allowing it to handle bug fixing, large code migrations, and more nuanced coding undertakings. The model is deeply integrated with the Meta Model API, providing developers with accessible pathways to employ AI-driven solutions within their existing workflows. This integration aims to streamline the development process by enhancing interaction within terminal environments. Pricing and accessibility. Pricing for Muse Code is positioned competitively at $1.25 per million input tokens, with output token pricing at $4.25 per million, making it a financially viable option for many developers. Compared to its predecessor, Muse Spark 1.1, which shared the same pricing structure, the new model offers significantly enhanced performance, providing better value for money. However, despite its strong potential, the proprietary nature of the Muse models may restrict full accessibility for some user groups, potentially affecting broader adoption. Practical implementation and what to try. For developers eager to explore its capabilities, accessing Muse code can be straightforward through the MetaModel API. Experimenting with coding and debugging tasks in terminal environments can provide first-hand experience of its functionalities. Meta provides comprehensive documentation and demo scenarios to assist developers in integrating Muse Spark 1.2 capabilities effectively into projects. These resources are designed to guide users through practical applications, showcasing how Muse code can revolutionize software development workflows. Industry implications. Meta's launch of Muse code signals a bold stride towards integrating AI more deeply into coding, promising to enhance software development efficacy significantly. By potentially reducing manual coding errors and increasing productivity, Muse code could transform enterprise software development processes. However, its future impact will depend on how Meta addresses concerns regarding accessibility, data security, and potential biases in AI outputs. Despite these challenges, the advent of Muse code stands as a testament to Meta's ambition to lead in the competitive AI coding landscape, shaping the future of intelligent software development. Microsoft breaks new ground in AI training methodologies with the introduction of SkillOpt, a tool engineered to revolutionize how agent skills are optimized and transferred across diverse models and environments. Released in May 2026, SkillOpt tackles the often cumbersome and resource-intensive task of retraining AI agents by simplifying skill retention through advanced optimization techniques. At the heart of SkillOpt is a systematic text space optimizer that facilitates the reusability and transfer of procedural skills. It treats a compact, natural language skill document as the trainable state of a frozen language model agent, marking a departure from traditional handcrafted and self-revision methods that typically grapple with reproducibility constraints. The technical prowess of SkillOpt is evident in its trajectory-driven optimization approach. This includes using scored rollouts to derive precise edits such as additions, deletions, or replacements in skill documents. These edits are stringently evaluated using bounded edits and held-out validation gates to ensure that only beneficial updates are integrated. Importantly, SkillOpt does not require real-time inference calls during deployment, a factor that ensures skill updates remain stable without causing performance drops, a significant leap in maintaining operational efficiency. In terms of performance, SkillOpt has demonstrated remarkable efficacy, achieving the best or tied best outcomes across all evaluated benchmark settings, thereby setting a new standard for skill retention metrics. This has resulted in a notable reduction in training time and resources, although specific metrics are yet to be published. While SkillOpt signifies a major advancement, its broad application across all real-world scenarios and complex domains remains speculative at this stage. There are inherent limits and trade-offs, such as the dependency on natural language understanding, which might not always yield precise skill representations. For enterprises and developers keen to adopt SkillOpt, Microsoft provides a GitHub repository, github.com/microsoft/skillopt.git. Along with exhaustive documentation, Microsoft GitHub.io SkillOpt/docs to guide through its deployment and use. Engaging with example skill documents as outlined in the official guidelines offers practical insights into this cutting-edge optimization process. As AI continues to permeate various industries, SkillOpt presents itself as a transformative catalyst for skill management, promising to enhance AI performance while substantially reducing the overhead of traditional retraining processes. This significant improvement in skill portability and retention could set new benchmarks, prompting further innovation and competitive advancements across the AI training landscape. And that's a wrap for today's episode of Daily AI Brief. We've explored the latest in AI advancements from Microsoft WebIQ to Meta's Muse code, uncovering innovative solutions and ongoing challenges in the AI space. Stay tuned as these technologies develop and continue to impact the way we code and solve problems. Until next time, keep innovating.